Welcome to the channel. This is 2015 VW TIGUAN 2-liter TDI. I'll show you what happened in the dashboard. It's like a Christmas tree. You can see this side, ABS light on, traction control light on, tire pressure on, and the seat belt and the green light doesn't matter. And this side, parking warning light, amber, and the power steering light, and also engine management on. Then basically I got the report from the computer. However, this car has a little bit history. The engine management on for a while, customer said. Then he worry only ABS problem. We'll see what happened to the under engine management, cooling fan, data bus, cylinder 4 glow plugs. I'm leave it everything as it is because at the moment he is worried about ABS wheel speed sensor, rear left, G46 number signal, no communication, intermittent. This is intermittent problem, could be bearing, but however we have some experience faulty ABS sensor. However, we are going to start from the sensor, check the sensor, and if it not go to the bearing, I'm going to show you any minute how we're going to do it. And after that, ECU tire pressure monitoring, because I feeling it's part of the ABS problem because of the ABS light is illuminate tire pressure, invalid data, ABS control module read trouble codes 01316. Yeah, all I think because of the rear left wheel. I'm going to switch off the car and open rear left wheel and have a look what's going on there. What I'm going to do, I'm going to jack up the car and going to remove the tire first. Underneath here, jacking point, when you do it, you can see. If you want, you can use underneath axle stand. I'm not going to use it because I'm trust my 3-ton jack is double piston. And the other thing, I'm not going underneath the car, then I'm not going to use the axle stand. If you want, you can use it. It doesn't matter. This wheel bit stuck. I'm going to use my foot. Before start the job, make sure your wiring loom all okay. There is a inside here connector. Have a look that connector and the wiring. Sometime if it lose connection there, same thing, intermittent, this thing can happen. Then I'm going to check the wiring. Then after that, you need to come to the, this is ABS sensor. You need to remove the plug from here. Use plenty of WD-40. It will help for remove that ABS sensor without any problem. Here, when you're going to remove it, remove this connector here. I'll check the whole wiring, all fine. Now after that, I need to remove this connector and lift up, press here and lift up. After that, we have to remove this screw and spray plenty WD-40 around that area and going to remove the sensor. Once I remove, I'll show you what I done in that area. Right, you can see plenty WD-40 around that area. Then I managed to take out. I'll show you what I done in there. This is T30 screw. Then I'll remove that screw. Then after that, I play plenty WD-40 around this area. You can see WD-40 mark. Then after that, I'm using my this tool to put here slightly and just wiggle, and after that tightly twist here and there like this. and slowly gradually take out using this tool, and same time use this tool and hold the edge. See, it has a nice grip. Then after that, twist, just pull, and I'll manage to take out the sensor. But I don't know, I have to compare with the new one. There is a tiny hole here. I don't know it's supposed to be there or not. A part of that, I can't see anything. All inside nice and clean, no rust. Yeah, I'm waiting for the new sensor. Once I come, I'm going to compare and install opposite way. What you have to do, install to the groove. When you install, better to apply little bit grease, like a universal grease around this area, not the tip, just here. Then when you're going to remove next time, it will easy for you. And also I'm going to apply little bit grease here also. Well, same thing, when you remove it, it's easy. Then install new one, and I'm going to take to the road test and have a look what's going on there. This is the new sensor. It's come with the packet. Then after that, I'm going to apply little bit grease the top side and back of here. I'm going to install the screw, same thing, grease around. Just do the hand tight, that's it. Make sure it's all the way in. After that, I'm going to connect the connector. Right clicked, it's in. Now I'm going to install the tire and go inside and reset the light and take to the road test. I am not going to do the wheel lock nut, because if I need to remove it, it's easy. This is the as usual code. See, all light on here. Then I'm going to delete this all light, basically delete this all message. Right, it's cleared. Again check the thing. Right, you can see no present code. And after that, I'm going to ignition off and going to start the car. Now you can see the dashboard clear, all sign gone, only the engine management on. We know what's the reason for the engine management. However, I'm going to take to the road test. Before that, I'm going to the data menu and check the data for wheel. Basically, we need to check wheel speed, rear, left. Right, I'm going to leave it like this, and I'm going to forward and have a look. Any reading, take the computer. You can see it's reading coming up. I'm going to the road test, and also I reset. You can see here trip miles 0. Then I'm going to use it at least 2 or 3 miles to have a look what's going on there. At the moment, 0.4 miles done, all fine, no funny light. See, and here you can see all speed sensors, same value. Here now nearly 40 miles per hour. Yeah, all working well. No funny warning light. Right, I'm going to complete at least 2 miles and make sure if it everything all right. Now I'm complete 2.3 miles and coming to the garage. No other funny warning at the moment. This one also working fine. Yeah, right. Another success job. I'm happy. I'm going to hand over the car as it is like to the customer. So I'm going to switch off the car. Right, it's off. Yeah, basically this customer happy to do the wheel bearing also well, because I said as a first step we try wheel speed sensor or ABS sensor. I done the sensor, you know how to change the sensor now. Then also customer said, don't worry Charlie, if you want you can do the bearing also well, because I already ordered the bearing. This is the new bearing I ordered for this car. However, I'm not going to use this one because I'm happy with this job. To be honest, better to honest, because if I can put it bearing I can earn a bit more money, because I don't want unnecessary money like this way. However, better to do honest job. Thanks. Now hopefully you can get something from me. If you have a like this problem, cheaper way, change ABS sensor, reset light, take to the road test and have a look what's going on. If it everything goes well, you can save lot money. Please subscribe and follow my channels. You can get lot of video like this and save bit money. Recently we opened our online store www.sanumotor.store. Please visit our online shop and buy something and help us for improve our channel. Thanks for watching. See you with the next video.